table reservation works in a restaurant. This includes the process, required information, and its importance for both customers and restaurants. Good day. Thank you for calling Mrs. Resto. How may I help you?
Hi, I would like to reserve a table.
Sure. May I know your name?
This is Nika Cruz.
For what date and time?
Tomorrow at 10 in the morning, please.
For how many persons?
For one person only.
May I have your contact number?
Yes, it's 0955-440-8278.
Do you have any special request?
Yes, maybe a table near the window.
Okay, noted. Your reservation is confirmed. Thank you and see you.
Thank you.
In this scenario, the customer provided important details such as name, date and time, number of guests, contact information, and special requests. These are necessary to properly secure a reservation and avoid confusion. Reservation can be made through phone calls, in person, websites, apps, or even social media. Morning, ma'am. Good day, ma'am.
Hi, I have a reservation under Nika Cruz.
Wait, let me check. Yes, your table is ready, ma'am. Please follow me. As you can see, the customer did not need to wait because the table was already prepared. This is one of the main benefits of table reservation. For customers, it guarantees setting, reduces time wait, and provides a better dining experience. For restaurants, it helps manage the number of guests, improves service efficiency, and prevents booking. There are also different types of reservation. Some are manual, like phone bookings, while others are digital or online system that allow real-time reservation. Today, many customers prefer online reservation because they are faster and more convenient. In conclusion, table reservation is an important system that benefits both customers and restaurants. It ensures convenience, better service, and efficient restaurant operations. For busy restaurants, making a reservation is advanced and highly recommended.